Hey you guys, and today we're doing a new recipe and it's for a seafood foil boil. Now as you can see, I picked up all the ingredients that I wanted in my particular batch today, and I'm going to show you how I got it done, simple and easy. Now your first step is to get your crab boil water going. Here I'm just going to be melting some butter so I can use it throughout my mixture, and I added a little garlic just to give it some seasoning flavor. So for the next step, I cut up my sausage, washed up my veggies to get ready to place in the boil. Now after I got everything really mixed, I made my little packets, made sure it was covered up on the side so it'll steam really good, and I placed it on 380 actually. but in the notes you can do 375, 380. You don't want your shrimp overcooked. Now right here I added some more butter, and I actually got those little cups from the Dollar Tree, and they come in really handy, especially in to-go lunches and any other time you want to do little things like this to dip on the side and for easy cleanup. I also got this little foil box here, and you get them 3 to 2 in a pack at the Dollar Tree as well. They're coming really handy for occasions like this when you want to cook and prepare it already, and it's an easy cleanup. Now, like I said, you can add and take away and make it your own recipe. A lot of people didn't care for the egg. A lot of people loved it. Now, particularly, I don't eat crab, but I did make a batch just to show you how you can mix it up and make it to your liking. Now, as you can see, it's all done. I made the biggest platter for me personally, and I'm going to make some sweet tea. Sit back and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this didn't take me no time to get everything prepped and cooked. So if you want a budget, you don't want to go out and spend the money, you can do it in the comfort of your own home and relax. So I hope you guys like this. So thanks for watching, and see you later.